Pluto TV should be easy to install on a smart TV, but the app may not show up in the store, may fail to download, or may open and then keep freezing or buffering. In this video, I will show you how to install Pluto TV on your smart TV, how to set it up correctly, and how to fix common problems like Pluto TV not showing in the App Store, not downloading, not opening, freezing, buffering, or activation issues. Before you install Pluto TV, first check your internet connection. Your smart TV must be connected to the internet, otherwise the app may not download, open, or stream properly. To confirm this, open any other app on your TV or try loading something from the TV. If the internet is not working, connect your TV to Wi-Fi again and then continue. Now go to the correct app store on your smart TV. From the TV home screen, open the App Store, Google Play Store, or the App section, depending on the smart TV you're using. This is where you will search for Pluto TV and install it directly on your TV. In the search bar, type the full name Pluto TV. Make sure you type the name correctly, because if the spelling is wrong, the app may not appear in the search results. After typing Pluto TV, press search or enter on your remote. When Pluto TV appears in the search results, select the official Pluto TV app. Then press install, download, or get, depending on what your TV shows. Now wait for the app to finish downloading and installing. Once it is installed, open Pluto TV from your TV's app section. After opening Pluto TV, follow the instructions shown on the TV screen. If your TV shows a QR code or an activation code, scan the QR code with your phone or go to the activation page and enter the code shown on your TV. Once the setup is complete, Pluto TV should be ready to use. Once Pluto TV is set up, you can start browsing the app. You can watch live channels, movies, shows, and on-demand content directly from your smart TV. Make sure your internet connection stays stable so the streaming works smoothly. If Pluto TV is not showing in the App Store, first check the spelling again and make sure you searched for Pluto TV correctly. If the name is correct but the app still does not appear, then your smart TV model may not support Pluto TV, or the app may not be available in your region. If Pluto TV shows a message saying it is not available in your location, this usually means the service is not supported in that region. In that case, the app may not work normally, even if your TV is connected to the internet and the app is installed. If Pluto TV will not download or install, restart your smart TV first. After the TV turns back on, reconnect it to the internet and try downloading Pluto TV again. Also check if your TV software has an update available, because outdated TV software can cause app installation problems. If Pluto TV opens but does not load, close the app completely and then open it again. If the same problem continues, restart your smart TV and try again. If other streaming apps are also slow, restart your Wi-Fi router and then open Pluto TV again. If Pluto TV keeps freezing or buffering, check your internet connection first. A weak connection can cause videos to stop, freeze, or buffer again and again. If the connection is weak, move the TV closer to the router or use a more stable connection if available. After that, restart the TV and open Pluto TV again. Now check for updates for both Pluto TV and your smart TV software. If an update is available, install it. Keeping the Pluto TV app and TV software updated can help fix loading issues, playback problems, freezing, and other app bugs. If your smart TV gives you the option to clear cache or app data, open the app settings and clear Pluto TV's cache. After clearing it, open Pluto TV again and check if the app works better. This option may not be available on every smart TV, so only use it if your TV shows it. If Pluto TV still does not work, uninstall the app from your smart TV. After uninstalling it, restart the TV, then go back to the App Store and install Pluto TV again. This can help if the app files were not installed properly, or if the app keeps having the same loading problem. If nothing works after all these steps, then the problem may be related to your smart TV compatibility, your region, or a temporary Pluto TV service issue. At this point, check again later or confirm whether Pluto TV is supported on your smart TV and in your location. That's it for this video on how to install Pluto TV on your smart TV and fix common problems like the app not showing, not downloading, not opening, freezing, buffering, or activation issues. I hope this step-by-step guide helps you get Pluto TV working properly on your TV. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tech tips. Have any questions, or did these steps work for you? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear your feedback. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.